Welcome to Immigration Quicktake. This is Ellie Rutledge-Silver with the American Immigration Lawyers Association. Today is the deadline for the federal government to comply with U.S. District Court Judge Dolly Gee's ruling regarding the incarceration of families fleeing violence. Here to discuss the deadline is Karen Lucas, Associate Director of Advocacy at AILA. Karen, thanks for joining me. What does today's deadline mean?
Well, Ellie, today is the deadline for the government to comply with Judge Gee's order in the Flores litigation. And the Flores litigation is litigation over the settlement agreement that was entered into nearly 2 decades ago, which sets binding minimum standards for the treatment of children, all children, in DHS custody. And Judge Gee's order made clear that the government should be releasing children without unnecessary delay. They have a right to release, and they have a right to release as a first preference to their parent. And so DHS must comply with that by today.
What happens if the government doesn't comply with the order?
Well, Ellie, our own data from the CARA Family Detention Pro Bono Project actually demonstrates that as of today, we have 197 clients who have been detained for more than 20 days. This is well out of compliance with the order, and there are hundreds of more clients who have been detained for more than 5 days, again out of compliance with the order. So now the plaintiff's counsel is going to have to look at this information and decide what to do next. There may be a motion to enforce the judge's order. There may be a motion to hold DHS in contempt if it turns out that the data demonstrates that they are out of compliance.
What are AILA and its CARA project partners going to do on the ground moving forward?
The CARA Family Detention Pro Bono Project volunteers on the ground are going to be closely monitoring what the government is doing at the family detention centers, at Dilley specifically. They're going to be monitoring how long people are detained there. They are going to be monitoring lots of different data points to hold the government to account for any violations.
Thanks, Karen, for joining me. For the rest of you, please stay tuned for more updates from the American Immigration Lawyers Association.